and welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the world's most exclusive, luxurious, and breathtaking properties. Today, we are proud to present one of London's most prestigious luxury estates, a stunning 20th-century chateau-style mansion currently listed at an incredible $21,750,000. This property is not just a home, it is a statement of elegance, power, and timeless design. As the drone camera rises during the daytime, you immediately see the true scale of this private estate. Surrounded by dense, vibrant forest, the mansion sits on expansive grounds, offering unmatched privacy and serenity. The perfectly manicured gardens, long private driveway, and symmetrical architecture make this estate feel like a royal residence hidden away from the modern world. The exterior design is inspired by classic French chateau architecture, blended seamlessly with modern luxury. The white, blue, and golden color palette reflects sophistication and wealth, while the balanced structure and pristine landscaping create a truly iconic first impression. Now, let's step inside through the grand main entrance. The moment you enter the foyer, you're welcomed by a double-height ceiling, polished marble floors, elegant golden columns, and a magnificent crystal chandelier. Natural light floods the space, instantly setting a tone of luxury and openness. Moving forward, we arrive at the first of 5 spacious living rooms. This formal living area features plush blue seating, white marble flooring, and refined golden accents throughout. Large windows frame stunning views of the surrounding greenery, creating a perfect balance between indoor elegance and outdoor beauty. This space is ideal for hosting elite guests or relaxing in absolute comfort. Next, we enter the heart of the home, one of the 3 state-of-the-art kitchens. Designed for both professional chefs and everyday luxury living, this kitchen features sleek white cabinetry, gold hardware, premium appliances, and a large central island. Every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to combine function with high-end design. Adjacent to the kitchen is the elegant formal dining area, centered around a grand dining table beneath a statement chandelier. This is the perfect setting for private dinners, business meetings, or lavish celebrations, all surrounded by the home's signature white, blue, and gold theme. Now let's take a look at the luxury garage. This immaculate space offers room for multiple high-end vehicles, with polished floors, modern lighting, and a clean, showroom-style design. It's not just a garage, it's a display of status and lifestyle. Upstairs, we arrive at the private quarters of the mansion. The estate offers 6 luxurious bedrooms, each designed as a personal retreat. The master bedroom stands out with its king-size bed, soft blue tones, golden decor elements, and floor-to-ceiling windows that fill the room with daylight. This suite feels calm, elegant, and undeniably royal. The mansion also includes 5 spa-style bathrooms, finished with white marble walls, golden fixtures, glass showers, and soaking tubs. These bathrooms feel more like a 5-star hotel spa than a private residence. For health and wellness, the home features a private gym, fully equipped with modern fitness machines and styled in a clean, premium design. Whether it's a morning workout or an evening session, this space supports a balanced luxury lifestyle. Step outside into the garden, and you'll find one of the estate's most relaxing features, a beautifully designed outdoor swing area, surrounded by lush greenery and open space. This is the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of the property. The mansion also offers 2 swimming pools. One is an indoor pool for year-round use, while the outdoor pool sits within the landscaped garden, reflecting the chateau like a mirror. It's a truly breathtaking sight, especially during the daytime. Finally, we enter the TV lounge and entertainment room, a modern, comfortable space designed for relaxation and entertainment. With ambient lighting, plush seating, and a premium media setup, it's perfect for movie nights or private gatherings. This extraordinary estate represents the highest level of luxury living in London. With its timeless architecture, modern amenities, and unmatched privacy, this $21,750,000 chateau is truly one of a kind. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible luxury real estate content.